Hello everybody, welcome to another Breakaway SC eBay box break. Today we'll be doing the 1516 Upper Deck Artifacts eBay single box break number 19. Just going to quickly plug our website, check it out, it's breakawaysc.com. We do live hockey group breaks 7 nights a week. If you want to check it out again, it's breakawaysc.com. You can just click over the group break tab and see everything we've got listed over the next few days. 1516 Series 1 case breaks are up. And we also just started a 1516 Series 1 case giveaway as well. Alright, let's get going. Just show you that this auction has ended. As always, Winnipeg Jets, last team listed. Break number 19. Ended October 30th, 7:29 Eastern. And I also just want to quickly show you the serial number in case you missed it. NE2 411-73975. Show you that this is the same box. 241173975. All right. Artifacts box break number 19. Good luck, everybody. Base decoy. Got a parallel number 916 and 999 for Ottawa of Kyle Turris. Base. 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 Decoy. Ruby 265 with 399 for Boston, Gary Cheevers. Base. Open. Base. Decoy. Got a rookie number 813 and 999 for Calgary, Sam Bennett. Base. 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 Decoy. Sapphire number 52 of 85 for Washington of John Carlson. Base. Base. Decoy. Rookie redemption for Philly. Base. Base. Decoy. Frozen Artifacts jersey for Vancouver of Alexander Burrows. Base. Base. Decoy. Dual jersey 39/125 for Chicago, Jonathan Taves. Base. And last pack. Good luck, everybody. Base. Gold dual patch 8/8 for St. Louis. Vladimir Tarasenko. Big finish. Congrats on that one. And base. And there we go. 1516 Artifacts eBay single box break Number 19 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody. Again, check out our website, breakawaysc.com. 7 nights a week, we're doing live breaks. And of course, another break up on eBay tonight. And we just started our eBay single box breaks of Series 1 that'll be ending starting Wednesday. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a good day.